Number of particles of a substance can be calculated by using the formula number of particles is equal to moles into Avogadro's number. Whereas the mass of the substance can be calculated by using the formula mass of a substance is equal to number of moles of a substance into molar mass. We can calculate the number of moles of the substance by using a formula, that is number of moles of a substance is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So the question is, how many moles are there in 60 grams of the sodium chloride? There are two ways to find out the number of moles of any substance. The first way is, first of all, we have to write down the given data, that is mass of a sodium chloride is given 60 grams, whereas we have to find out here the number of moles of the sodium chloride. Solution: the molar mass of the sodium chloride, that is 58.5 grams per mole. Now by using the formula number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass, we can easily put these values here in a formula and we get that the number of moles of a sodium chloride is equal to 1.5 moles. Now, another way to find out the number of moles of a substance or sodium chloride is, first of all, we have to write down the given data, that is mass of a sodium chloride is equal to the 60 grams, and we have to find out the number of moles of the sodium chloride here. Solution: molar mass of a sodium chloride can be easily calculated here, that is equal to 58.5 grams per mole. And we know that 1 mole of a sodium chloride is equal to its molar mass or formula mass, that is equal to 58.5 grams of the sodium chloride. So what will be the number of moles of a sodium chloride in 60 grams of a sodium chloride? Now look at here, we have that 58.5 grams of the sodium chloride, we know that's equal to its 1 mole of a sodium chloride, because 58.5 grams is the formula unit mass of a sodium chloride. And we know that when we convert the formula unit mass into grams, it's equal to 1 mole. So here we have that in 60 grams of the sodium chloride, how many moles will be there? So by doing the cross multiplication here, we can easily find out the number of moles of a sodium chloride in 60 grams of the sodium chloride, that is equal to 1.5 moles of sodium chloride. We can easily calculate the mass of a substance by using the formula, that is mass of a substance is equal to moles into molar mass. So the question is, what is the mass of 0.5 moles of calcium carbonate? So there are two ways to find out the mass of any substance. First way is, first of all, we have to write down the given data, that is the moles of the calcium carbonate is 0.5 moles. So we can calculate the mass of calcium carbonate. Solution: molar mass of the calcium carbonate can be easily calculated, that is equal to 100 grams per mole. By using the formula number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass, we can easily calculate the mass of calcium carbonate by converting this formula, that is mass of a calcium carbonate is equal to mole into molar mass. And we get the values by putting these values of the mole and the molar mass, 50 grams of the calcium carbonate. Another way to find out the mass of calcium carbonate is, first of all, we have to write down the given data, that is moles of the calcium carbonate is equal to 0.5 moles, and the mass of calcium carbonate we have to find out. Solution: the molar mass of a calcium carbonate is equal to 100 grams per mole. We know that 1 mole of a calcium carbonate is equal to 100 grams. So we have to calculate that in What will be the mass of the calcium carbonate in zero point 0.5 moles of calcium carbonate? So, here we can easily find out the mass of a calcium carbonate by doing the cross multiplication here, and we get zero point 0.5 moles of the calcium carbonate is equal to 50 grams of calcium carbonate.